In this mode, you can back up your contact information and message in your memory card. Click this item. It will start back up your contact information. This operation will last a few minutes. It depends on your contact number. When it's finished, you can see the backup time in the log. Of course, backup the short message is the same. Now, we can see the backup file in the SD card. Okay, it's in here. Now, let us delete some contacts and short message to revise the restore effect. Okay, we can see it's displaying 131 contacts. Let us delete one. Now it's displaying 130 contacts. Now let us delete some messenger. Okay, let us delete all. At the end, let us restore the restore contacts need a few minutes. Please wait. Okay. Now let us restore messenger. Okay. We look messenger. Okay, it be recovered. Now let us look the contacts. We can see it's also displaying 131 contacts with success.